Try this 6-month challenge for you if you are dying in debt. If you are deep in debt, try this challenge for you. It's only for 6 months and see what it does for you. Challenge number 1. This is about extreme and frugal living way below your means to reduce your deep debt that you have. So you want to go do a deep debt dive into frugal living. So number 1, move into a cheaper apartment or get a roommate. This will help you definitely with your living expense. Living expenses are very high right now. So having a roommate or living in a smaller place, just what you need for now, will help a lot with your budget and help you to take that extra money and put it towards your debt. Cook all your meals at home and only buy very reasonable ingredients in bulk. Buy the right seasonings. A lot of the times, if you're eating chicken or you're eating something that's very reasonable, you can buy the seasonings in bulk. You can just seasoning in the chicken and cooking a little rice will save you so much money in the long run. Reuse, recycle, repair everything that you have. Avoid buying anything new for the next 6 months. If you feel you need something, recycle something that you have. If you have sewing gifts, you can expand or take in your clothes. That's one of the things that will help you to reuse, recycle, and repair. Take advantage of free and low-cost entertainment, such as parks, museums, community events. There's so many things in our area right now that you can go around doing that. All of our parks and all of our amphitheaters around here have free shows, free movies all the time. Pack your lunch every day for 6 months. I guarantee you this is going to be one that helps you. This is an extreme frugal habit, but if you try it for 6 months, you'll see how it will and take that money and put it to your debt. Take advantage of some of these preps and you will definitely be saving the money and putting it towards your debt. You want to price match when you can. When you're in the store and you need to buy, price match. Make sure you ask if there is a price match. Limit your car use. Careful. Carpool. Check on your insurance. All these things that you can do to reduce your extreme debt that you have. If you try these things for the next 6 months and check on how much of them that you're going to really miss. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.